Here's a quick, easy way of deciding what to write about. So, first and foremost, notice that we're on the master list of competitors' top keywords. What this is about 12,547 lines of data, which is comprised of the keywords that all of your competitors are currently ranking for, about 2 to 3,000 of each. So in this instance, we have Hacker.io, Udacity, Java Revisited, Learn to Code with Me, Node.js, Free Code Camp, and HackerNoon.com. This is about the 2 to 3,000 best keywords or top keywords that each of them are collectively ranking for. Top here, you have the keyword. So all of these are the keywords searched in Google. The amount of times it gets searched on average each month over the last 12 months. This is the difficulty on a scale of 1 to 100 for you to rank on page one of Google. And the CPC is what an advertiser would have to pay to be ranked there or to be advertising on that key term. This is the URL of the site in question, the position it ranks for, it's currently ranking on, and the amount of traffic they get from it. So, for example, Free Code Camp, this article, What is an API in English, please? You can click on it if you'd like to see it. That brings Free Code Camp 20,363 traffic per month because they're position number two on a term API that gets searched 229,000 times per month. That's just how you interpret the data here. But what we're going to be using it for is to do this. So first, you want to filter by condition on difficulty, and you say you only want to find terms that are less than or equal to the number 20, which indicates that it is easy to rank for. And notice that everything here is now green and less than the number 20. The next step is to filter also by traffic because we only want to see terms that bring them traffic. So we go to filter by condition, and I want to see greater than or equal to, let's just say at least 10 visits per month because I don't want to see their waste or bad pages. And okay, so now we're filtering but only by pages that URLs that drive at least 10 traffic and are easy to rank for. What you do next is you can sort by the URL itself. I do A to Z. And now everything is sorted by the URL. You see that it meets the traffic and the difficulty parameters you have set, and you can get some ideas for good opportunities. For example, this hacker.io post, 10 best CPP books. What I'm noticing here is this one single article is ranking for all of these keywords. Not only ranking, but ranking highly for. And all of these keywords are easy to rank for. So if I were suggesting a good idea to a client, this would stand out to me. I would say, all right, client, hacker.io blog 10 best CPP books. Can we recreate this in our own words for our own audience? And what can we do better? Do you know these books? Can you recommend better books? Do you have um, anything wrong with the order of these? Is there anything you could do differently, better than Hacker.io currently is? I don't know personally anything about C++ books, but this is the process that I would go through with a client. So if they do a lot about C++, this would be a good article, a great article for them to write. Not only that, I would be sure that this article that the client wrote included as many of these keywords as possible, including in the H2s and H3 headers and sprinkled throughout the text. And before I move on, it's worth noting that this much traffic is coming to this URL based on this search. So this one blog post, that C++ books I just showed you, that is getting at least this much organic traffic every month, whatever the sum of that is. So that is solid. So just keep that in mind, knowing that one article can rank for many things. So use these keywords throughout, and you'll be good. But That is just one quick way you can get ideas for articles to write about. And I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.